KPRC2 is your coronavirus vaccine central, and we are tracking the latest shipments happening this week across town. Good morning, and thank you for joining us. I'm Andy Sirota.
And I'm Sion Rhodes. More than 500,000 doses will be delivered to Texas. The Houston Health Department will receive 9,000 doses, and that number will be split between people at the highest risk for the illness and vulnerable communities. KPRC2's Kathy Hernandez live with the story from the George R. Brown Convention Center, where many are receiving the second doses of the vaccines today. Kathy?
That's exactly right. The city started giving second doses of the COVID-19 vaccine here at the GRB by appointment only. This week, they're focused on vaccinating those in the most vulnerable communities in our city. Starting today, the city of Houston is administering second doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. The Houston Health Department received 9,000 doses for this week. 5,300 will go to the Area Agency on Aging, 2,400 for providers in vulnerable communities, and 1,300 for previously scheduled appointments.
And then we're going to do our very best to kind of get out in the community to make it easier for you to get to these vaccine distribution sites.
Meanwhile, Brazos County received its first 5,000 doses of the vaccine. Medical staff began vaccinating people in phase 1A and 1B this morning. They hope to administer more than 1,200 doses today. And in Montgomery County, the vaccine call center opened at 8 this morning for people 65 and older. The number is 936-523-3918. It's meant for people who don't have access to the internet and were unable to register online. The demand is so great. Last week, 400 pre-registration slots filled up in 9 minutes in Montgomery County. And I just heard back from Montgomery County minutes ago. They say their callers are taking in calls as quickly as they can, and they are asking people to be very patient. As for the city of Houston, Mayor Turner says he's also working on vaccination sites that can be mobile and reach people in those vulnerable communities. Of course, for all of those links on how you can register, just go to our website, click2houston.com. We're putting live at the GRB, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.
Kathy,